Hello everyone, it's Jana and today I'm going to talk about simple crafts, cement and gypsum. What are simple crafts in general? A skill in making things, especially with hands. They could be an art form. Crafts can be also divided into different categories according to the material that are used. Are simple crafts useful or helpful? Yes, they are useful, in which increasing profit. One of the best ways you can make money from home is by creating crafts. For many people, crafting is a hobby, but some people make supplementary income from selling crafts. Home and garden decoration, in which you create your own style of decor instead of searching a lot of time. Also saving money. Most of the decorations and crafts right now are very expensive. So instead you can make your own crafts with the best material. So basically what is a cement? Is a binder substance used for constructions that sets, hardens and adheres to other materials to bind them together. And here are some uses of cement. What is gypsum? Gypsum is a soft sulfate material used as a building material for protective or decorative coating of walls. And here are some uses of gypsum. And now let's learn how to mix cement and gypsum and some simple cement and gypsum crafts for beginners.
Hello everyone, it's Jana. Today I'm going to teach you how to mix cement or concrete. First buy a pre-mix of cement or the regular one and add some cement into a tub or a container. Dig a small hole and start adding some water. So basically here's a simple cement craft for beginners. So all we need is a large bottle and cut it from here and a small cup and start pouring the premix into the bottle like this. And put the cup here and fill the cup with water. So it will be heavy and wait until it hardens. So here is how to mix gypsum. It's really similar to a cement. I will just dig a hole again and add some water and let it soak for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Mixing it now. Hello everyone, this is a simple gypsum craft for beginners. So basically you are going to get a container and cover it with plastic bag and get another bowl with any shape. I choose heart. Okay, and start pouring the mix. Gypsum and cement craft using many towels, and actually I'm not gonna name it now because it has many uses, so let's get started. So basically we are going to do our mixture using cement and gypsum, and it's okay to use gypsum because it's already used in cement fabrication. Okay, and dig a hole and start pouring some water. Try to mix quickly. We actually added some extra cement in the mixture, and now we are going to take our towel and put it on our mixture and try to cover it all with the mixture. And now after we cover the towel with the mixture, as you can see it's totally covered with cement, we will put it on here. It's really funny. Okay, like this. You could get any type of stand. It's like not necessary to put a bottom. And try to cover the edges with another layer of cement. As you can see, we're just trying to cover the edges. Hello everyone, here's our cement and gypsum crafts after they have dried out. And now we are going to color them and then come back and say the uses of them. And now we are coating the vase with gypsum as a white color. And now we are coloring this gypsum crafts. I preferred using my hands rather than a brush. You could pick the color that you want. Decorating these vases with some black color. It looks so good, to be honest. And now we are coloring these cement crafts with some black color or black paint. And here's our crafts after we decorated them. And now I'm going to tell you the uses of each one of them.
Here is our cement craft. We could use it to put our pencils on it. It's similar to a pencil case. You can also put it on your desk. We can also name it as a flower pot in which we can plant on it. It also looks so good on office desks. As we can see here, I planted some mints since the roots are very tiny and they won't spread much. Yeah, this mint craft is similar to a vase, but it really looks like mushrooms that we watch on cartoons. You can put inside of it some candies or other stuff. And here is our gypsum craft. It's really cool and useful. You could put your keys on it. Money, paper, or even coins. It's really useful and you could use it in many ways. And finally, here's our towel vases. You could put flowers or any kind of decorative things. And here's the rest of our crafts. Basically, it teaches students creativity, which is important throughout their lives. By doing something creative, you allow for self-expression, and this lets kids express their feelings and basically teaches them how to create decorative ideas or creative ideas using their own hands.